fidanzata.
You asked me to give up the hand of a girl I love. You tell me another man's worthy of. But who are you to tell me to love? Or some to hurt you? You better move on. Well, I know you and my head has a dozen diamond rings, but I believe she's happy with me without those things. Will you back me to set her free? But I think you'll never leave. You better move on. No, I ain't gonna blame you for loving her. But can't you understand? Man, she's my girl. And I never gonna let her go. 'Cause I love her so. I think better go. I'm getting mighty mad. You asked me to give you all the love I've ever had. Maybe I would, but oh, I love her so. I'm never gonna let her go. You better move on. 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 You better move on.
Ja. Gemeene!